Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a news website using Google Sites. So let's just jump into it. First, go to Google Sites and select blank site. Now choose a title for your website. For example, today's news. If you'd like to add an image, simply click on the image icon and upload the one you want. Next, open a daily news website to find some news content. In a new tab, open an RSS website and click Create New Feed. Now go back to the news website, copy the URL, and paste it into the RSS website. Now click Generate and then Save Feed. After that, go to the Widgets section in the RSS website and select Add to Website. Copy the JavaScript code provided. Now go back to your Google Sites page and select Pages, then click Full Page Embed. Name your page, then click Add Embed. In the Embed Code section, paste the JavaScript code you copied earlier. Click Next and then Insert. Finally, click the Publish button to publish your news website on Google Sites. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.